Hello, welcome back. So I have, the pet is out of the box, but I have not removed the end pieces yet. It does seem, they're not styrofoam, they're some other kind of foam stuff. They are, and certainly they are encased in blue plastic, but that's kind of coming off a bit. So they look a little bit weak, and there are a few pieces missing. Nothing major, just, but from being slid in and out of the box. So now, I think it is time to be brave. By the way, it does look in very, very, very wonderful shape. I'm just going around the back for a moment. Oh yes, and indeed, the serial number does match the box. It does. So, this, I don't know what to call this foam stuff, but it's foam. So I'm going to very gently pull this off with great care. And I will set it on the box, and we can get a better look at the machine, or at least maybe 2/3 of it, still wrapped in plastic. And indeed it does look quite wonderful. Very white, very bright, very beautiful. Does it work? Good question. So, I guess I've got to continue with its very delicate extraction. And I do have power that runs out here. So maybe if I'm brave, I will plug it in and we can see what is what. We can. Anyway, thanks for your patience with the noise out here. I am doing my best to speak up, but also I'm trying to be very, very close to the microphone. I really should find a remote microphone thing. And I know I don't speak all that loud. I know. Anyway. Alright. Stay tuned as with great care and consideration and calmness, I will remove the last packaging, and we'll see what we have. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.